Yes, children, today in our class we shall discuss about altitudes of the triangle. So let us find out what are the altitudes of the triangle. So first let us draw the triangle. I name this triangle as A, B and C. Okay. Now what does altitude means? Altitude means it is the line segment joining the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. This is the vertex and opposite side is BC. We have to draw perpendicular from A on BC like this. Okay. So we'll draw the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. Okay. Mark this point as D. This AD has a specific length. So we define altitude of the triangle as the line segment joining the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. So altitude of a triangle is the line segment joining the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay. Now in a triangle there are three sides AB, BC and CA. We have drawn perpendicular from A to BC. Similarly, we will draw perpendicular from B on AC. First we had drawn perpendicular from A to BC. Now we are drawing from B to AC. So I draw perpendicular. Perpendicular means forming an angle of 90 degree. मतलब देखो ये 90 degree है, ये 90 degree है. Okay. Now we will draw perpendicular from C to AB. So the angle formed here is 90 degree. Now we mark this point as E and this point as F. So in a triangle ABC, we see AD, BF and CE are the three medians. So we write here the three altitudes. AD, BF and CE are the three altitudes. So we write here the three altitudes of the triangle ABC are AD, BF and CE. Now these three altitudes meet at this point. Let us name this point at O. The three altitudes intersect at a point O. This point O is called the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. Alright, is this clear? Now let us find altitudes in a right angled triangle. This is an acute angle triangle. Let us find the altitudes in a right angled triangle. So let us draw a right angled triangle. And label it A, B and C. Now see here, what is the altitude? Line joining the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. What is the opposite side to A? This is BC. Now on BC we have to draw perpendicular from A. So how we cannot draw it like this. We cannot draw slanting, it has to be standing. So what do we do? Let us extend it little bit. Okay. Now if we have to draw perpendicular from A to BC, you see this perpendicular will be this line only. Okay. Now let us take point B. So side opposite to vertex B is AC. It means we have to draw perpendicular from B to AC, right? So what do we do here? We extend this AC a little bit, right? Now from B, if you have to draw the perpendicular, you see how will you draw? You draw it like this. It is the same line, right? So these two altitudes meet at point C. Now you draw from vertex C. Opposite side is AB. So you need to draw perpendicular from C to AB. You draw it. Okay. See, this is the perpendicular. For this case, this is the perpendicular. And for this is the perpendicular. So what do we observe? That all the three altitudes meet at point C. So here C is the orthocenter of the triangle. So in right angled triangle, see here the very important point which is asked in the exam also. This AC and BC are the two sides of the triangle, and also these are the two altitudes of the triangle. So AC, BC and CD are three altitudes of the triangle ABC. Okay, so two sides AC and BC are the two altitudes of the triangle, and this orthocenter C, center C lies at the vertex containing the right angle. अब जो ये सेंटेंस मैंने बोला ऑर्थो सेंटर सी लाइज एट द वर्टेक्स कंटेनिंग द राइट एंगल, इसका क्या मतलब है? जो ये ऑर्थो सेंटर है वो कहाँ लाई करता है? उस वर्टेक्स पर जिस पर राइट एंगल फॉर्म हुआ हुआ है. देखो यहाँ और यहाँ राइट एंगल फॉर्म नहीं है हुआ, यहाँ पे बना है, और ये तीनों ऑल्टीट्यूड्स का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है. तो ऑर्थो सेंटर कहाँ लाई किया? एट द वर्टेक्स कंटेनिंग द राइट एंगल. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. नाउ finding the altitudes in an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so let us draw an obtuse angled triangle. This is a very important question बेटा, ये एग्जाम में ऑलमोस्ट पूछा जाता है. Okay, now see here. This is our obtuse angle triangle ABC, right? Now let me start with this. This is an obtuse angle. Vertex C, इसके opposite side क्या है? AB. अब अपने को perpendicular बनाना है, तो perpendicular तो सीधा होता है, यूं तो होता नहीं है. तो we have to draw the perpendicular like this. So what we will do? We will extend this AB. Okay. Now from C to this extended AB, we draw a perpendicular. Okay. Right. So this is the perpendicular. This is meeting at this point, this perpendicular. So we name this as point D. So CD is the perpendicular on AB. Got it? Right. Now I come to this vertex B. इसकी ऑपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? ये वाली AC. अब मुझे B से AC पर परपेंडिकुलर बनाना है, तो कैसे बनाऊं? इट हैज टू बी लाइक दिस. ऐसे कुछ बनेगा परपेंडिकुलर. तो इसके लिए क्या होगा? मुझे ये लाइन एक्सटेंड करनी पड़ेगी. CA को मैं एक्सटेंड कर रही हूं. एक्सटेंड हो गई ये लाइन. अब आप B से इस CA पर परपेंडिकुलर बनाओ. ये देखो, ये एंगल 90 डिग्री दिख रहा है ना. तो हम ओके, नाउ लेट अस ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर. देखो, ये 90 डिग्री बन गया. अब हम आते हैं C पर. C पे तो हो गया, सॉरी. अब हम आते हैं A पर. अब A की ऑपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? BC. तो अब हमको A से BC पर परपेंडिकुलर बनाना है. हम A से BC पे परपेंडिकुलर बनाते हैं. राइट. ये बन गया परपेंडिकुलर. अब हम इन्हें नेम कर देते हैं. ये पॉइंट हो गया E और ये पॉइंट हो गया F. ठीक है. तो एक हमारा ऑल्टीट्यूड है BF ऑन AC. एक हमारा ऑल्टीट्यूड है AE ऑन BC. एक हमारा ऑल्टीट्यूड है CD ऑन AB. राइट. सो वी राइट हियर, and these three altitudes, see, when you extend these lines, they meet at this point O, and O is the orthocenter of the obtuse angled triangle. So here you see orthocenter lies in the exterior. So, and the two altitudes, see here, the altitude AD and BF lie in the exterior of triangle ABC. ये ट्राइंगल है, ये इसके एक्सटीरियर में है. एंड ऑल्टीट्यूड AE lies in the interior of triangle ABC, and this point O, which is the orthocenter O, lies in the exterior of obtuse angled triangle ABC. Understood, children? So this is all about today, finding the altitudes in acute, obtuse and right angle triangle. From tomorrow onwards, we shall start the exercise.